In Noida Sector 76, where there is a significant amount of construction taking place, the need for reliable geotechnical services is paramount. These services involve the assessment and analysis of the soil and rock properties in order to determine their suitability for construction purposes. The geotechnical engineers in Noida Sector 76 utilize various techniques such as soil testing, site investigation, and slope stability analysis to provide accurate and reliable data for the design and construction of buildings and structures. The geotechnical services in Noida Sector 76 are essential for ensuring the safety and stability of the structures being constructed. By examining the soil conditions and identifying any potential hazards or risks, the geotechnical engineers can recommend appropriate foundation designs and construction methods. This helps to prevent any future issues such as settlement, slope instability, or foundation failure. Moreover, these services also assist in determining the load-bearing capacity of the soil, which is crucial for designing structures that can withstand various loads and forces. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Noida Sector 76 is SCON design. SCON design refers to the design of shallow foundations that are commonly used in construction projects. In conclusion, geotechnical services are essential in Noida Sector 76 for ensuring the safety and stability of construction projects. The expertise of geotechnical engineers in analyzing soil properties and providing accurate data for SCON design is crucial for the successful completion of infrastructure projects. By utilizing these services, developers and contractors can have confidence in the structural integrity of their buildings and structures. Whether it is through soil testing, site investigation, or slope stability analysis, geotechnical services are an integral part of the construction process in Noida Sector 76. Reliable geotechnical services are absolutely necessary in Noida Sector 76, where there is a lot of construction going on. These services entail evaluating and analyzing the soil and rock qualities to decide whether they are suitable for construction. For the purpose of providing precise and trustworthy information for the design and construction of buildings and structures, the geotechnical engineers in Noida Sector 76 employ a number of procedures, including slope stability analysis, site research, and soil testing. The stability and safety of the structures being built depend on the geotechnical services provided in Noida Sector 76. The geotechnical engineers can suggest suitable foundation designs and construction techniques by assessing the soil conditions and identifying any potential dangers or hazards. This aids in avoiding potential problems like foundation failure, slope instability, or settlement. Additionally, these services help in figuring out the soil's capacity for carrying loads because this information is essential for constructing structures that can endure a variety of loads and forces. SCON design is one of the most important components of geotechnical